Hello everyone, on this video we are going to continue where we left on the previous one and fetch the historical price from the API. The next one will be the last from this playlist, and on that one I will add the graph. But for now let's fetch the historical price from the API. So create a new file called historical price.dart. And here create a class called historical price. Let's open the coin desk, and you can see here the link to get the historical price. So let's paste it here and copy this JSON and paste in the JSON formatter that we used in the previous video. And you can see here the data that we are getting from this API. So let's create now the class. The process is similar to the one we used to get the current price. So it has a time. We can import it. And it takes a map with a string and dynamic. Called BPI. Now create the constructor, this dot time and this dot BPI. Now the method from JSON that takes a map with a string and dynamic called JSON. Here set the BPI as JSON and the key BPI. And the time as JSON with the name time. And if it is different than null, you can call time.from JSON and pass it. Else set it as null. Save it, and you can see here the string, the key is the date and the dynamic type is the value. Go to network calls. This one should be price, not album. I put it album because I use the Flutter documentation to create this class, and there the example they give is albums, so that's why I put album, but it should be price. And here create this method now. Called fetch historical price. It's a sync, and import this. And it's similar to the other method. So get the response, put here the link. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. And I now check the status code. return, in this case, historical price dot from JSON, and the JSON the code, and I pass the response dot body. Else, throw an exception with the message failed to load historical price. Okay, save this file. And go to the historical price widget and remove this and put here a future builder with the type historical price. Okay. The future is fetch historical price. We can import this. And the builder takes the context and a snapshot. And here the same logic we did in the current price. And we have three cases. The first one if it has data, the second if the snapshot has arrow, and the third one we don't have data, neither arrow yet. We can copy this part. Okay, put it here because it's the same thing. And now just work. Now we just need to change when it has data. So copy this and paste it here. And change here to data instead of toString to BPI dot toString. Okay, save it and let's run it. And you can see here the data that we are fetching from the backend. Now let's organize this better before creating the chart on the next video. Go here and remove this and put this text widget as title. So put here the title historical value. Remove the size. And you can see here we should center it. So let's open the inspector to see where the widgets finish and start. And let me put the motor here. And press here to see the lines. And you can see this text is not centered. So we should center it. So put here text align and put it as text align dot center. This video was a little bit shorter, but let's finish this demo in the next video. There I will create the chart, and if you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you in the next one.